Welcome to the Tasks feature in Legitt AI. You can find tasks from the left navigation bar. In the Tasks section, you'll see tasks that have been created by you or assigned to you by someone from your team. You can select all your tasks and easily add them to your calendar for better organization. You can also filter tasks by date or by the type of task to view only the ones that matter to you at any given time. You can search for any task using the search box at the top. If you want to learn more about a task, just click on it to see detailed information. You can also mark any task as starred to keep important tasks at the top of your list. Once a task is complete, simply click on the tick mark to mark it as done. On the right side, you can create a new task by adding a task title, filling in the description, setting the due date and time, assigning it to any team member. Only team members in your My Team list will appear here, as they are managed in the settings, attaching any relevant documents or attachments, syncing it with your calendar and adding it to your alerts pipeline, classifying it as either a general task or a document-based task. For document-based tasks, you can choose a template from either My Templates or organizational templates to get started. Once you've filled out the details, click on Create Task, and the task will be added to your task list and alerts pipeline, as well as to the assigned team member's task list and alerts pipeline. The assigned member will also receive an email notification with all the task details.